Here is a quick video on how to create half square triangles 8 at a time. So you're going to place your squares right sides together, and you are going to draw a line diagonally from corner to corner, and you're going to repeat that again, so you have another diagonal corner to corner. Then you're going to take it to your sewing machine and you're going to sew a 1/4 inch seam on each side of those drawn lines. It's a little hard to see here, but they're there. Then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to cut on the drawn line. And then you're going to repeat that and cut on the second drawn line. And then you're going to take 2 more cuts, cutting those triangles in half. And this cut is parallel to the edge of the block. And then you're going to repeat that. Notice my block is not lined up with my mat. I use the ruler instead of the mat most of the time. And here you go. You have 8 half square triangles. So I'm using 10-inch blocks here, but you can do this with any size. I should say 10-inch blocks. These are 10-inch fabric squares. You can use this method with any size. So follow your pattern instructions to get the right size for the pattern you're making. And here they are, all pressed. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.